Being over 60 years old, your chrome will begin to pit, get dull, and even chip off. When it does, it's a great time to replace it with a perfect reproduction. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1959 Cadillac Fender emblems. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. You can purchase this individually or in a pair to suit your needs. Reproduced to original specifications, these Fender tip crest emblems are die-cast using case-hardened steel tooling. Our tooling ensures an accurate part every time. At the end of the production, each emblem face is chrome-plated, the bottom portion of the emblem is polished, and the upper features a brushed finish for authenticity to the factory original. Each emblem features a single 6/32 threaded stud and hex nut for fastening, as well as a single locating pin for precise installation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.